Hi, welcome to the PageFly video tutorials series. In this video, we will learn how to use the Shopify Product Variants in PageFly. The Product Variant element is designed to display the variants of your Shopify products to increase the conversion rate. You can use the Product Variant element to promote your product on any non-product page, or use it on a product page. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to set up general settings for the Product Variant element. You can find the Product Variant element in the Shopify element on the left sidebar. There are 5 product variants. Pick one for your product detail. I will choose this one. Drag and drop it into the page editor. Make sure that the product variant is inside the product details. It will automatically show the variants of the products that have already been assigned. If you add a product variant outside of product details, you can choose the product you want to show its variant. Just head to the product source option, select custom product, and choose the product you want to show. The second general setting is combined options. Enable this if you want to combine all variants in a line. You can click here to show the price. For this combine options, you will have 3 options to display your variants. Drop-down menu, radio buttons, and variants image. With this option, you will need to upload the images of your products in Shopify. I will choose the drop-down menu for my product variants. There is also a sold-out option to inform the customers the variant is out of stock. Disable this option if you want to display the variant separately. You can use option swatches here. Remember that if you want to use option swatches, you will need to properly configure your options. You can check the video how to set up product variant swatches in the description box. Disable use option swatches and you will have a normal display of the options. There are 2 options for you to display the values: drop-down menu and radio buttons. And there are 2 types of layout you can choose to display the variants: horizontal and vertical. You can adjust option value spacing right here. By default, the spacing value is 16 pixels, and the maximum value is 50 pixels. Show option name. Enable this option if you want to display the option name. Next is the option name position. There are 2 positions for the labels to be displayed, on the top of the values list, or on the left of the list. And you can change the option spacing right here. Now, let's move on to the styling configuration. The styling tab allows you to customize the content color, paddings, margins, typography or background. I will change the font family of the variants and adjust its font size. Next, I will add padding right to the product variants to adjust the inner space of the product variants. Click Save and Publish. And check the live view to see the result. This is how the product variants look like. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.